Hey guys, I'm Lainey. Today I will show you our sample series drawer box. It has 3 colors available, including champagne gold, high-class gray, and golden red. It can keep the same color as whole house carpet. Now let me introduce its structure. The material of this product is carbon steel, and it is ultra-thin structure. 12 mm side panel, thinner than traditional drawer box. It is available for 16 mm and 18 mm thickness backboard and baseboard. If the board is 16 mm, we have the accessory for the drawer box. It's a snap-on quick installation structure, easy and convenient to install. The door panel can be adjusted left and right by this screw, up and down by this screw. There are other 2 types, including middle height drawer box and high drawer box. They are 3D adjustable. This product can be adapted to 3 board heights, including 61 mm, 99 mm, and 146 mm. Soft close slide of Germany technology. Passed European standard 80,000 cycle test. Quality certification.